Do your legs feel weak or heavy as you get older? Do you feel tired faster when walking, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods? If you're over 60 and experiencing leg weakness, muscle fatigue, or low energy, you're not alone. And the good news is, muscle loss with aging is not always permanent. Recent studies suggest that certain natural teas may help support leg strength, muscle function, circulation, and energy levels, especially in older adults. In this video, we'll cover 3 of the best teas for seniors that may help reduce muscle weakness, improve balance, and support healthy aging, all without medications or intense exercise. And make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share a lesser-known ingredient linked to better blood flow and reduced muscle fatigue. On this channel, I respect your time. That's why every video is clear, evidence-based, and designed to deliver real health information in just 5 minutes. Let's begin. Tea number 1, ginger turmeric tea for leg pain and muscle weakness. Ginger turmeric tea is one of the most popular natural remedies for joint pain, leg stiffness, and muscle inflammation, especially in adults over 60. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols, which help improve blood circulation. Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to leg muscles, helping them stay strong and recover faster. Turmeric contains curcumin, a well-studied anti-inflammatory compound that supports joint health, muscle protection, and mobility. Chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons muscles feel weak or sore as we age. By reducing inflammation and improving circulation, ginger turmeric tea may help legs feel lighter, stronger, and more stable during daily movement. This tea also supports natural energy levels without caffeine spikes, making it ideal for seniors. How to prepare: fresh ginger plus turmeric, hot water, pinch of black pepper for absorption. Drink once daily for best results. Tea number 2, ginseng green tea for muscle strength and energy. If fatigue and low stamina are limiting your mobility, drink ginseng green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that protect muscles and joints from age-related damage. It also provides gentle energy thanks to L-theanine, helping with focus and alertness. Ginseng is an adaptogen support muscle endurance, physical strength, and energy levels in older adults. Ginseng help muscles use oxygen more efficiently, improving walking endurance and reducing tiredness. Together, green tea and ginseng support both physical and mental energy, which is key for staying active and maintaining leg strength as we age. How to prepare: green tea plus ginseng root or powder. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning. Tea number 3, ashwagandha root tea for balance and muscle recovery. Ashwagandha root tea supports muscle recovery, balance, and nervous system health. It is crucial for walking stability and fall prevention in seniors. As we age, chronic stress and poor sleep increase cortisol levels. Cortisol accelerates muscle loss and weakness. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, allowing muscles to recover and rebuild. Ashwagandha help improve lower body strength, coordination, and endurance, even in older adults. It also supports better sleep, which is when muscles repair themselves. Better sleep equals better muscle recovery and energy the next day. How to prepare: simmer dried ashwagandha root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink in the evening or morning. To summarize, these 3 teas support healthy aging and stronger legs. Ginger turmeric tea for inflammation and circulation. Ginseng green tea for muscle strength and energy. Ashwagandha root tea for balance, stress reduction, and recovery. While these teas are not medical treatments, they can be powerful daily habits when combined with gentle movement and consistency. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone over 60 who wants to stay strong and mobile. Let me know in the comments which tea you'd like to try first. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.